I'm Anil Kumar. Here is a thinking question on understanding transformation of sinusoidal functions. Consider y equals to 1000 times sine pi by 8 times x plus 2 within brackets plus 20,000. Determine coordinate points for two consecutive maxima on the graph of this function. So that is a question for you. You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestion. We're talking about two consecutive maxima. That means the maximums which will come together. For example, if I sketch my sine function like this, let us say, right? In that case, we want coordinate points of these two which are together, right? Now clearly the distance between two maximum will be the time period t, right? So that is the distance between them. So let us begin by finding the time period itself. Time period from this equation can be written as 2 pi divided by k, which is pi by 8, which is pi by 8, right? Which is same as 2 pi times 8 over pi, and that is equals to 16, right? So we know that the difference in the x coordinates for these two is going to be 16. Now let us try to find the value of the first maximum, right? Now as far as the value of the first maximum is concerned, what we are given here is that the axis is 20,000. So this axis is at y equals to 20,000, right? So let me write 20,000 here. 20,000, and from there you can go 1,000 up. That is the amplitude, right? So this distance here is plus 1,000, right? So if you add 1,000, you get the maximum point, which clearly is 21,000, right? So we know the y values for both should be 21,000, right? But we need to find the x values. For a sine function, it always begins from the axis itself, right? So we know that the sine function begins from the axis. So it will begin from the axis, and then the first maximum will be quarter of the cycle away. So what we know here is that this distance is actually quarter of the cycle away, right? That is first thing. Second, what we also know is there's a phase shift of plus 2. That means it has moved 2 units to left, right? So quarter of the distance, and then we know it moves 2 units left, right? That is the transformation, right? So we'll do minus 2 from the x value, correct? Now if t is 16 for us, then what is quarter of the t? So t by 4 is going to be 16 by 4, which is 4, and 2 units less than 4 is 4 minus 2 is 2, and therefore we can say coordinates for maximum are, so first one could be at 2, that is the x coordinate, and the y value is 21,000, right? 21,000. So that is the first one, and the second one will be, we have to add the time period of 16, so we get 18, and y value will be same, 21,000, right? So that is how you can get coordinates of maximum for the given function, right? So I hope you understand and appreciate how to solve such questions, right? So go through it once again, understand these concepts, and then be very simple for you to find the answer. We have a similar question coming up, so try to solve that question to confirm that you have understood the logic. Thank you and all the best.